In this video we will teach you how to make dragon videos in Filmora. Like this. Hey everyone. Welcome to Wondershare Filmstock YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get updates. So let's get started. To create this dragon effect, first open any browser of your choice. I open Google Chrome. I search here filmstock.wondershare.com. After searching it, log in with your account here. Now we have to download an effect pack from this website. Search for the effects pack in the search bar of the website. The name of this effects pack is Epic Film Effects Pack Volume 02. Click here for this Epic Film Effects Pack Volume 02. Inside this pack you will find 21 elements. This effect pack is compatible with Filmora 9.6 and above versions. Download this effect. After downloading this effect, open Filmora software. After opening Filmora, go to Media and click on it. Import the footage from your computer that you want to add the dragon effect to. Along with the video, I also imported the sound effects. The free download link of these sound effects is in the description. Drag and drop the video onto the timeline. If you have the video in vertical format, you should also convert the preview screen to vertical. You can use this dragon effect in vertical and landscape and all format videos. But the video should be with you in such a way that a person is acting like a dragon. Go to the Elements tab and click on it. Scroll down the tabs here. And click on the Filmstock tab. Open Epic Film Effects Pack Volume 02 inside the Filmstock tab. This is the effects pack that we downloaded from Filmstock. From here the first element we use is called Epic Film Effects Pack Volume 02 Element 05. I drag and drop the effect onto the timeline. Double-click the element and go to the Transform tab and unfold it. From here bring this element down by position Y. Now I fade out the opacity at the end of this element. For this, go to Animation tab and click on it. And then click on Customize section. Add 2 keyframes to the end of this element. And in the second keyframe set the opacity level to 0. After doing this, we now mask in this element. For this go to the Video tab and click on it. Here click on Masking section. Within masking select the type of mask appropriate to your object. I select the mask type as rectangle. Scroll down and adjust the settings of the mask. Here first invert the mask using this option below. Adjust the position of the mask. I show the body of the actor here in this mask and remove the element from here. I increase the size of the mask a bit more to make it look more realistic. Add blur strength to the mask as per your choice. And that's how I apply the mask to the object via keyframes. As you can see as the object zooms, I increase the size of the mask via keyframe and also adjust the mask position. The second element that I drag and drop is named Epic Film Effects Pack Volume 02 Element 19. I will set this element on this servant's hand. As the man opens his hands upwards, I place the element there inside the Transform tab, adjusting the rotation, scale and position. I put this element on one of his hands.
Clothe ourselves in light.
But now let's move this element through keyframes with his hand movement. For this, go to the Animation tab and click on it. And open the Customize section. From here, animate the position and rotation of this element on the hand using keyframes. Adjusting the rotation, scale and position. And last keyframe I set the opacity level to 0. Now right-click on the same element, and copy it. Add an empty video track above. And paste the copied element into that track. Now we put this element on its other hand. First, right-click on this element. And then click Clear All Keyframes. And clear all its keyframes. Now, like the previous element, apply this element to his other hand as well. I adjust its size, position and rotation in the same way. And then in the animation I manually move the element through the keyframes. And last keyframe I set the opacity level to 0. So these two elements will animate like this along with the movement of the hands. Which is very cool. The next element I'm going to use is called Epic Film Effects Pack Volume 02 Element 01. This element I drag and drop on the timeline. I rotate this element and position it where the actor closes his hands together. And track it to the actor's hands using keyframes animation. As you can see, I rotate the element in the keyframe that needs to be rotated, where it needs to be resized or repositioned. I make adjustments that way. And last keyframe I set the opacity level to 0. Okay. The next element I use is Epic Film Effects Pack Volume 02 Element 12. This element I drag and drop on the timeline. Go to the Video tab and click on it. Unfold the Transform tab. From here I adjust the element's size and position and adjust the element on the actor's body. At the end of this element you can see that this element looks cropped. So we will split the last part of this element. And it will delete the part. Now it looks fine. The next element I use is called Epic Film Effects Pack Volume 02 Element 13. This element I drag and drop on the timeline. I use this element as a transition. Using this element as transition in similar videos makes the video more professional. Double-click the element and select it. On the preview screen, increase its height slightly from both sides, so that it reaches the entire screen. I copy the same element. And I paste this element in end. Here also I use this element as transition. As you can see how professional it looks. You can slow down and fast the duration of this transition by using speed. After doing this, I now add sound effects to the background of the elements. Free download link of all these sound effects is available in the description. Looking at the elements, I add these sound effects to the background of the elements accordingly. You can use different sound effects for different purposes. To make it better, you should look at elements and add sound effects accordingly. And apply it in the background when it matches the sound effect elements. As such, I add a corresponding sound effect to the background of each element, making our dragon effect even more perfect. Let's see its final preview. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you a lot in making your dragon videos. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, plus subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon. But don't leave without sharing this video and leave your comment below. Bye.